Namaste. Hello. I'm Samit from Akshobhya Foundation. So, it's a wonderful question and how to deal with insult. What is insult and how to deal when we are insulted? Now, when we say insult, what is actually happening? Insult is a state of affair where somebody is trying to portray their judgments which is based on their perceptions and which has made their own conceptions about ourselves and they judge based on this. They are unconsciously or consciously trying to bombard this judgment over us. Now, what do we do at a situation like this? We usually, when we are bombarded with such judgments, we take it as reality. And at this point of time, we feel whatever they are telling, I want to prove it, that it is not the case. We are being affected by it. Now, when this is the case, you tend to react and it becomes a huge scene, and then you finally lose your own contentment of life. Then what do we do when we are insulted? First thing we need to understand is that the person who is judging you is judging based on their perception. Each and everybody has got their own perception. Now I'll make it very simple to you. The way I touch and feel a mobile phone may be the way it is different you feel it. Maybe I feel the texture. Maybe I look at the perceptions of how it appears. Maybe you feel the moisture of it. Probably you feel the texture of it. You feel it in a different sense. So each of our perceptions are something else. We know this is a mobile phone, but we do not have the same perceptions of how we are feeling this mobile phones. It is not the same. So whatever the person is perceiving about you, it is their perceptions. And from these perceptions, whatever they're judging is actually showing what their perceptions are telling them. Let me tell you one more example to make this clear, to understand the perspective in your daily life. Say example, you are working all the time and you come back home a little late, and somewhere in your family or somebody will tend to insult you that you do not, what do you know? You only know to work every day and you do not know to spend time in family at all. How will you know what is happening in the family at all? First of all, this person is judging you based on their perceptions, and you know you are entirely working the entire day just for your own benefit and for your family's benefit too. Does the person understand this? No. This is why I said that the person judges based on their perception, not on what you think what you are doing. So this judgment becomes your reality, and now you want to superimpose that your judgment is also true. So you try to argue back saying that I work for us and this is how it is going to be. Now what is going to happen? You are just going to elaborately fight upon this topic, and both of you are not going to stay calm about it. So instead, take this perceptions as this is. That is, the person is judging based on that person's perceptions, and this is not the truth. Second, what you are doing only you will know and nobody else will know. So whatever the person does or comments on you, do not worry, because they are saying, they are judging based only on themselves. It shows what their perceptions are, not about you. When he or she is insulting you, that person is basically judging themselves. Why? Because they are judging what their perceptions are about you. First. Second, rather than being affected by it, look at it like this, that this is actually a question based on what you know about yourself. What you know about yourself, when the person is telling some false opinions and judgments about you, you question yourself, is this the truth? And when you feel this is not the truth, you want to force your opinion that this is the truth upon that person. So this is where the fight naturally begins. So what are we supposed to do? If you know yourself that you are truth to yourself, this is what I am, why do you feel the need that you want to try to persuade somebody to tell them that you are like this? It is not that way. You know the truth, that is enough. And you already know, the more you try to convince the other person about it, the more the person is not going to accept it. So what are you going to do? Are you still going to keep trying that you want to probably change their judgment about you? It is not going to happen. They have to change it on their own. It is not under your hands or influence. So what you can do, just stay calm. Why? Because the more you feel that these judgments are right, you want to react. First point, you know this is a lie because they are doing it based on their perceptions and judgments. Second, you do not have to react because you know what the truth about yourselves. And third, to stay calm and to look at it from this point of view rather than just conceptualizing this, we need to make this our own attitude. And how to make this our own attitude is, there is only one way, and that way is meditation. Now let me tell you a real life scenario where influential insult. That is, imagine there are three persons, A, B and C. You are B and there is a person C. You have a good opinion about C. But there is this person A who comes to you and tells you, influences you based on that person's perception and judges that the person C is bad or something like that and tries to make you insult that person. First of all, we need to understand that the person A is influencing you for their own beneficial terms. They are trying to gain benefit out of you, and only when they know that they can take the benefit out of you, they are trying to influence you about C. So, based on this judgment, you take the opinion and then you judge the person on C, and what happens is you are being influenced on perception and you are not thinking with your own intellect. So whatever judgment you are taking, it is a second hand judgment that you are taking from the person. So this is going to impact your life a lot. You are going to be somebody called a blind. This is what blind means. Just because the physical person doesn't have eyes does not mean the person is blind. This is called being blind, when you are not able to know what the truth of the matter is. And even people who are insulting somebody should know this. You are judging yourself when you are insulting somebody. When you are insulting somebody, it simply means that you are insulting based on your perception. That means you are actually judging your own perception. That means you are digging your own grave. So before insulting, think twice. So to get this proper maturity, you need meditation. This is called spiritual maturity, to know how the situation is coming through. So let me help you meditate and give you this maturity of looking at situations very easily and solving these issues very easily by logging on to yourself, by finding out your true sense of value and your true self. So log on to www.akshobhyafoundation.com. Let me help you meditate and cross over all these small barriers that is coming on your way and give you the utmost contentment of your life. I will be waiting for you. Until then, stay tuned.